tonight. Well, we begin this hour as a new law is now in effect in Idaho. Idaho's new law on regulating books that may be considered harmful materials goes into effect today. The legislation could impact how libraries operate, specifically when it comes to children. Tonight, free speech advocates rallied outside of state library branches, and one just concluded at a North Idaho library. That's where KREM 2's chief journalist Amanda Rowley joins us now live. And what have you seen so far out there, Amanda?
I'm outside the Coeur d'Alene Library, where actually this afternoon the Library Alliance of North Idaho invited the public to gather at all the local North Idaho libraries to rally against this new law that went into effect here in Idaho. First, they gathered right outside the steps of the Coeur d'Alene Library. Some eventually moved to the entrance of the parking lot, where they held up signs saying, "We love our library." Some people drove by honking in support. Now let's take a look at that state law that just went into effect today. It allows the public to file a complaint with the library requesting that a book they find inappropriate for the children's section to be moved. Now, first, the library board has 30 days to formally receive the request. Then, once it's formally received, that clock starts another 30 days for the library board to review the book and act on the request. Now, if the book isn't removed, people can sue the library and staff for $250 and other damages. Now, those rallying against this new law today believe this takes away parental rights and adds unnecessary work for libraries.
Our hope is that first, that our librarians and our library workers know that we support them and appreciate the work that they do, and we trust them. We trust them to make the decisions about what material should be in our books.
Books are the one area where items are reviewed, published, and go through a lot of process, and have restrictions on that is absurd.
Now, the law impacts both public libraries as well as those at public and private schools. The Coeur d'Alene Public Library says it made minor changes in preparation for the new law. It says it already had a material review policy, form, and procedure in place, but they modified each of them to match the process now outlined in the new statute. Now, today, the Library Alliance of North Idaho invited those who gathered here outside the library to sign some thank you cards, which they then delivered to the librarians. This wasn't the only demonstration today. There was also gatherings at the Post Falls, Hayden, as well as Spirit Lake libraries as well. Reporting in Coeur d'Alene, Amanda Rowley, KREM 2 News.